Have you heard of microneedling for hair growth? It's one of the hottest topics right now when it comes to regrowing hair naturally. But does it really work? And how exactly does rolling tiny needles on your scalp help with hair growth? In this video, I'll explain everything you need to know about microneedling, why so many people are using it, and how you can safely try it at home to boost your hair growth. Stay tuned until the end, because I'll share my best tips to maximize your results. Microneedling is a skincare and hair care treatment that uses a tool with very tiny needles, usually called a Derma roller or a microneedling pen. When you roll it gently across your scalp, the tiny needles create micropunctures in the skin. Now don't worry, it's not as scary as it sounds. These punctures are very small and painless when done correctly. What they do is trigger your body's natural healing process. This stimulates collagen production, improves blood flow, and reactivates hair follicles that may be dormant. Over time, this can lead to thicker, fuller, and healthier hair. Benefit 1. Stimulates collagen production. Collagen keeps your scalp firm, elastic, and healthy. The perfect environment for new hair follicles to thrive. Over time, this can even strengthen existing follicles, making your hair strands less prone to thinning. Think of it as giving your scalp a workout that keeps it youthful and ready to grow stronger hair. Benefit 2. Boosts blood circulation. The tiny micropunctures increase blood flow directly to your follicles. That means more oxygen, nutrients, and growth factors delivered exactly where they're needed. Improved circulation also helps remove toxins and waste from the scalp, keeping your follicles unclogged and active. Benefit 3. Enhances product absorption. After microneedling, your scalp is more receptive to oils, serums, and treatments. This ensures that the active ingredients actually penetrate deeper rather than just sitting on top of your scalp. Many people notice their hair growth oils or serums become far more effective after microneedling because absorption can increase by up to 200%. Benefit 4. Awakens dormant follicles. Sometimes hair follicles are alive but inactive. Microneedling helps wake them up. By kickstarting blood flow and sending signals to the scalp, microneedling reactivates these follicles. This can lead to new growth in areas where hair has thinned, creating the appearance of fuller and denser hair. Now that we've covered the benefits, let's break down exactly how microneedling works. When you roll a microneedling device, usually a Derma roller or a Derma pen, across your scalp, it creates hundreds of tiny, controlled micro-injuries. Don't worry, they're not deep enough to cause real damage, but just enough to trigger your body's natural healing process. Here's what happens step by step. Micro-injury response. Your scalp immediately recognizes these tiny punctures and sends healing signals to the area. This process calls in fresh collagen, elastin, and blood flow, which all work together to strengthen your scalp's foundation. Activation of growth factors. Along with collagen production, your body releases natural growth factors. These are the same biological messengers that tell your hair follicles, it's time to grow. Think of them as little wake-up calls for your scalp. Follicle stimulation. As the healing process kicks in, dormant or weak follicles start receiving more blood supply and nutrients. This renewed environment encourages them to either restart the hair growth cycle or produce stronger, healthier strands. Enhanced absorption of treatments. If you apply hair growth serums, oils, or even prescription treatments after microneedling, they can penetrate deeper into the scalp. This means you're not just improving hair growth with microneedling alone, you're supercharging the effectiveness of the products you're already using. And here's something interesting. Studies have shown that microneedling combined with treatments like minoxidil or natural oils often delivers better results than either one alone. It's like pairing the right key with the right lock. So in simple terms, microneedling works by waking up your scalp, improving blood flow, delivering nutrients where they're needed most, and making your growth products more powerful. If you're curious about trying microneedling for yourself, it's super important to do it correctly and safely. Let's walk through the exact steps. Choose the right tool for at-home use. A Derma roller with needle sizes between 0.25 mm to 0.5 mm is best for beginners. Larger needle sizes should only be used by professionals. Using the wrong size can cause damage. Clean your scalp. Always start with freshly washed hair and a clean scalp. Remove oils, dirt, and product buildup so the needles can make contact with the skin directly. Sanitize your roller. Disinfect your Derma roller with rubbing alcohol before and after every use. This is non-negotiable. Dirty tools can lead to infection, which is the opposite of what we want. Rolling technique: section your hair so your scalp is exposed. Roll the device gently over your scalp in 4 directions: vertical, horizontal, and diagonal both ways. Do each section about 6-8 times, applying light pressure. It should feel like a prickly massage, not painful. Post-treatment care. Apply a nourishing oil or growth serum right after microneedling. Options like rosemary oil, castor oil, or even aloe vera can work wonders. Your scalp will absorb products more effectively within the first hour after treatment. Frequency. Start with once every 7-10 days. As your scalp adjusts, you can increase to once a week, but don't overdo it. Your scalp needs time to heal between sessions. And here's a golden rule: patience is key. You won't see overnight results. Most people notice improvements within 3-6 months of consistent use. Microneedling can be powerful, but only if you avoid some very common mistakes. Let's go through them. Using the wrong needle size. Beginners sometimes think bigger needles mean faster results. Wrong. Larger needles can damage your scalp and cause scarring if not handled by professionals. Stick to smaller sizes at home, not sanitizing your tool. This is the #1 mistake that can lead to scalp infections. Always disinfect your roller before and after use. No shortcuts. Microneedling too often. Some people get excited and start rolling every day. That's a big mistake because your scalp needs time to heal. Overuse can cause irritation, inflammation, and even hair shedding. Pressing too hard. Microneedling should feel like a prickly massage, not stabbing. Pressing too hard won't make hair grow faster, it just irritates your scalp. Skipping aftercare. If you microneedle without following up with nourishing products, you're missing half the benefit. Always feed your scalp after treatment with oils, serums, or prescribed solutions. By avoiding these mistakes, you'll maximize results and protect your scalp health. Now, this part is really important. Microneedling is not for everyone, and knowing if it's safe for you will prevent unnecessary risks. Active scalp conditions. If you have eczema, psoriasis, seborrheic dermatitis, or fungal infections, microneedling could make things worse. Always resolve scalp issues before starting treatments. Open wounds or cuts. Never microneedle over broken skin or sores. It can lead to infections and slow healing. Blood disorders or medications. If you're on blood thinners or have a clotting disorder, microneedling may not be safe because it can increase bleeding risks. Severe hair loss. If your hair loss is caused by scarring, alopecia, or advanced medical conditions, microneedling may not help. It's best to consult a dermatologist to see if you're a good candidate. Pregnancy and nursing. While there isn't strong evidence against it, it's always safest to avoid procedures like this during pregnancy unless cleared by your doctor. Always remember, when in doubt, talk to a dermatologist before starting. Safety first, results second. So, does microneedling really work for hair growth? The answer is yes, but it requires patience, consistency, and the right approach. Many people start noticing results in 3 to 6 months, especially when combining microneedling with natural oils or serums. If you're struggling with thinning hair, bald spots, or just want thicker and healthier hair, microneedling is definitely worth trying. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Have you ever tried microneedling for hair growth? Or are you planning to? Drop a comment below and let's talk about it. Thank you for watching. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more hair growth tips, and share this video with someone who's on their hair growth journey. Until next time, take care of your hair and let it thrive naturally.